Attorney at law. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Attorney provide legal advice and representation to individuals, corporations, and government agencies. Work environment. The majority of attorney work in law firms, both private and corporate. Some lawyers work for federal, local, and state governments. Most attorney work full-time and many work more than 40 hours a week. How to become one. Attorney must have a law degree and must also typically pass a state's written bar examination. Salary. The median annual wage for attorney is $122,960. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of attorney is expected to expand at a rate of 4%, which is about average for all occupations. Competition for jobs over the next 10 years is expected to be strong because more students graduate from law school each year than there are jobs available. Licenses, certifications, and registrations for attorney. Prospective lawyers take licensing exams called bar exams. Lawyers who receive a license to practice law are admitted to the bar. To practice law in any state, a person must be admitted to the state's bar under rules established by the jurisdiction's highest court. The requirements vary by state and jurisdiction. For more details on individual state and jurisdiction requirements, visit the National Conference of Bar Examiners. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.